Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I just want to remind you that you are enough, you are perfect, and you are beautiful just as you are. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to show you this very simple, very easy, quick halo eye look. And I used the Life's a Drag palette from Manny MUA. Hey Manny! And it's going to be really quick, it's going to be really simple. Really easy makeup tutorial for beginners. We're also going to talk about some crazy stuff that happened to me today and how to deal with change and letting go of the past. If you're anything like me, that's something extremely difficult. So we're going to talk about all of that today in this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. Let's jump in. Woo! So, do I have some stuff to tell y'all today? Alright, so today I had a bit of an experience. Okay? And it was great. It was amazing. It freaked me out a little bit. So what happened is every day, every morning, I read my tarot. Okay? I read tarot cards. I enjoy it. I only read for myself right now. I don't really read for other people. But then again, no one has asked me to read their tarot, so I don't know. Maybe if it ever comes up, you know, we'll see. But every morning I ask the cards, what step do I need to take to achieve my goal? Like what action do I need to take today to reach my goal? That's something along those lines, right? So I ask the question, like I always do. And today I got the Death card. Before you get like, you know, terrified or anything like that, the Death card very rarely, very, very rarely means like physical death. Like it can mean physical death in very, very rare cases. It's not. More often than not, it means change or letting go of the past or things like that. So I drew the card and I was like, okay, change, letting go of the past, great, okay, cool. I didn't really think much of it because I didn't see like how that relates to, you know, my goal. Like I have a very specific goal in mind and I was like, how does that even, I don't know, okay, whatever. So I kind of brushed it off. And then I went to check my bank account. And when I'm setting a goal, because I'm very big on the law of attraction. So when I'm setting a goal, I change my passwords to reflect whatever my goal is, right? So I realized, oh, I haven't changed the password for my bank account to reflect my goal. So you know what? I should do that. I go to change my bank account password. And I realized that I have had the same password since I got that account 7 years ago. It has never been changed. And as I was going to change it, I got really nostalgic. Like, oh my god, I've had this password for 7 years and it's never been changed. Oh, you know what? Maybe I won't change it. Maybe I'll just keep it for old time's sake. And then I had to stop myself. And I had to think, and I was like, wait a minute, change, letting go of the past, and I was like, oh my god, it's talking about the password to my bank account. That, in order to achieve my goals, I have to change the password to my bank account. At least that's how I took it. It was so spot on. I was like, so yeah, I mean, take that how you will, but I I took it as a sign that I needed to change that password, and that I'm on the right track. Going off of that, I also wanted to talk to you guys about, you know, letting go of the past in general. Because, you know, I hate change. I am not someone who likes change at all. I hate change. I always have. It's just, I like things better if they could just stay the same, you know, forever. Because that's what I'm comfortable, when things just stay the same. Because change scares me, okay? It terrifies me. But I am starting to realize that, well, not starting to realize, I always knew, wow, okay. I already knew that it was important, but I guess now that I'm getting older, it's becoming more prominent. So there are a few things that I'm doing now to, I guess, help myself along in, you know, dealing with change and stuff like that. So part of what I'm doing now is realizing that everything happens for a reason. Like, change isn't some, you know, big bad thing that's coming to, you know, make you uncomfortable or ruin your life. All things happen for a reason. Things come and they go and they shift, and as scary or, you know, annoying as it might be, it's necessary, because if there's no change, there's no growth, and you don't just want to be stagnant, like, right? Like, everybody wants to, you know, progress and grow. So looking at it that way makes it, I guess, a little bit easier for me to swallow. But, you know, I'm still not like, ooh, yes, change, I'm so happy. Like, I'm still kind of like, can we not do this now? Something else that I've been doing that has been really helping me with the whole, you know, change and letting go of the past is writing down all the things in my life that are constant. So right now, that would be my job, my YouTube channel, my boyfriend, things that have remained the same, or I'm hoping are going to remain the same for, you know, a decent amount of time. And that kind of grounds me, so I don't feel like, oh my god, all of these things are changing. And it's like, no, it's just this one thing that's changing, and, you know, look at all this other stuff that's, you know, pretty constant. So calm down, breathe, relax. You know, you're gonna be okay. Thing is, I really wish that I was better with change, you know? Like, I wish I handle it better than I do. But I think, I don't know if, well, comment down below and let me know if you're one of the people who is really good with change, because I would love to pick your brain. Like, what is your thought process like when you know change is coming, or you don't know change, like when you don't know change is coming and it just kind of comes up out of nowhere? Like, do you freak out, or you just like go with the flow? Because I freak out, honestly. I freak out easily, so I guess it doesn't really say much, but, you know, it's still, right? But it's interesting to see, especially like in my family, how we all kind of deal with change differently, you know? Especially my sisters. Oh my god. I have always been the sister that just did not know how to deal with things very well. But then again, I'm also the youngest, so maybe that has something to do with it. But my oldest sister, she does change pretty well. I've never seen her like really freak out the way that I do. So today I am going to do I think I want to do a halo eye today. So since I didn't put on concealer, I am going to take a little bit of my foundation and use that as a primer for my eyelids so we can get this eyeshadow look started. Okay, so I'm going to take I'm gonna take Sickening, which is this warmer brown, and that's gonna go in the crease. Ooh. And now I am going to take Mug, which is the darker brown shade, and that's going to go in my crease on the outer edge of my eye and on the inner edge of my eye. So now I'm going to take Legendary, which is this foiled gold shade, and it is gorgeous. And that's going to go right in the middle of that dark brown we just did. So now I'm just going to take a clean blendy brush and just blend the edges. So now I'm going to take Mug again on a pencil brush and smoke that on my lower lash line. So I'm not going to do my eyebrows because I've really been liking my makeup with my natural eyebrows, so I'm just going to comb them out. So now all that's left are lips, and I have been loving this Melting Pot gel liquid lipstick from CoverGirl. It's the color Gelebrity. Gelebrity. See what they did there. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I love simple makeup. I really do. And I love being able to show you guys makeup that doesn't take too long. This took me about 30 minutes. I'm gonna edit it down, obviously, but my timer says 28:54. So less than 30 minutes to do all of this. And I really like it. And I love talking to you guys. I want to make sure that I'm always giving you value. You know, I don't want you to just be watching me just to watch me. Like, I really want to always show you guys something, whether it's a tutorial or giving you tips about life, you know, because I'm doing really well in that department. No, but, oh my god. Can't speak, it's fine. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you always get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! If you missed my last video about my Patreon account and how you can get some free stuff from me every month, then I will link it here so you can click on that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on my face, or you can click the big red button down below this video. Bye!